Just getting home from the airport, Donna has snuck into the backyard and we're going to surprise the dogs. Hi guys, hi Sagey. Excuse the mess in the house, because you know we are moving. Hey guys, gotta go outside? Gotta go out? Come on, Sagey. Come on. Okay, out you go. Out, out.
Well, sweetie, hi, sweetie, I see, it's Fanny. How you doing, Mr. Span? Stay down, Hi. Oh, you're talking to me too. Stay down now, stay down. Okay. You got some, okay, the loves and the kisses. Oh, you're talking. Are you talking to me? Did you miss it, Mama? Did you miss that, Mama? Did ya? Oh, God, I gotta see Span. Wait a second, Zagy. Let me see Spanny. Okay?
Span, go see Mama.
Come and see the Mama. Come see Mama. Oh, aren't you lovely? Big smiles on your face. Oh, kissy. Oh, it's all right. Oh.
Go pee now. Go pee now. Go back.
I know. Come on, let's go pee. Oh, come on. God, you're whining. I heard. Go pee. Sagey, go pee. That's a good boy. Good boy. You had to pee.